Hi friends, this is Mrs. Han. Today I'm going to be showing you problem set 2 for lesson 2, which is on page 129 of your blue Learn book. If you don't have your blue Learn book right nearby, pause the video and go get it and turn to page 129. All right, welcome back. Yesterday, and the last time we were together in class, you were working on lesson 1, which talked about multiplying by multiples of 10. So that's numbers like 20, 30, 40, and multiplying by multiples of 100, like 100, 200, 300, and so on. You needed to know the commutative property and the associative property so that you could decompose and rearrange the problems. I hope you found that you were able to get some practice. I know the first day we did it, it was a little tricky. Hopefully, yesterday was a little bit easier, having some more practice under your belt. So today, in lesson 2, we're going to be doing the same thing, but the problems are looking a little bit different when we first get them. Let's look at problem 1A together. I see that it says round the factors to estimate the products. A says 597 times 52 is about equal to blank times blank, which equals. So in the real world, we might come across numbers like this to multiply. These are not quick or easy numbers to multiply, but sometimes we might want to know about what our answer is going to be or get close to the actual answer. So instead of writing out this problem on paper and solving it in the standard algorithm, instead, we can choose to estimate 597. Now I need to round that number in order to estimate. There are no directions. It doesn't tell me what place value to round to, but looking at it, I can see that 597 is very close to 600. In fact, it's only 3 away, and if I was going to round it to the nearest hundred, it would round to 600. And 52 is about equal to 50. It's only 2 away from 50. Now, just like we practiced yesterday, you could round the whole number part and then slide the place values after. So that's what I'm going to do right now. 6 times 5 is 30. And I have 1, 2, 3 place values that I need to slide it. So if I slide 30, 3 place values down the place value chart to the left, I have 1, 2, 3 more zeros that are in the ones, tens, and hundreds place. So 600 times 50 is 30,000. So a reasonable estimate for 597 times 52 is 30,000. Let's do one more together. This next one, same thing, says 1,103 times 59. Again, there are no directions that tell me what number or what place to round to. So first I'm going to just round to the largest place value we have. 1,103 is about equal to 1,000. And 59 is about equal to 60. 1 times 6 is 6. Slide 3 place values, 1, 2, 3, 4 place values actually. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 60,000. So a reasonable estimate for 1,103 times 59 is 60,000. But there's another way I could estimate this problem. 1,103 is about 1,100 if I round to the nearest hundred spot. And I can see that I have 11 that I'm going to need to round by, and 11 is not too bad of a number to multiply by, so I'm going to go for it. 1,100 times 60. 6 times 11 is 66. And I have 1, 2, 3 place values to slide. 1, 2, 3. So this estimate would give me 66,000. Both of these are reasonable estimates for this problem. You get to choose what way you estimate. I might say that I would choose this one because it's a little more close to the actual answer because we're leaving out 6,000 in this estimate. Or I can just round to the largest place value, and this estimate is also just fine. You get to decide how you estimate today. Let's do one more together before I send you off on your own. $5,840 times 25. 5,840. Well, what should we round that to? Let's round it to the thousands. Write down what you think 5,840 is rounded to when we round to the nearest thousands place. If you wrote down 6,000, you were correct. 25. Does that round to 20 or does it round to 30? I know that 5 is the midpoint. And when we have a number that's right on the midpoint, it means that we round up. So 30. 6 times 3 is 18. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 zeros in my factors, so that tells me I need to slide 4 place values. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, and that means I put my comma in the wrong spot. It's 180,000. I hope this is making sense for you. So let's put these new skills to the test. Your job is to finish the rest of page 129 and then flip it over and solve the rest of the problems on the back, page 130. Good luck, and